Today, we are making a very different but very tasty vegetable dish called fresh vadi and peas curry. By the way, this vadi is made from Moong Dal or urad dal, and we usually prepare it during the summer and dry it in the sun to store, and then we use it throughout the year. But there is another way to make this vadi curry, which we are making today, and that is with fresh vadi. So, to make vadi, I have taken moong dal here, and it has been soaked for 2 to 3 hours. You can also use urad dal instead of this. I take 1 cup of moong dal in the mixer jar, and we will use as little water as possible. We put this moong dal in the mixer jar. Along with the dal, we take a small piece of ginger and a little green chili to grind. See, the batter is ground and completely ready, and you can see that it's not runny at all. It's quite thick, and that's exactly how we want it. Now let's add salt to the batter we've made. If you want, you can also add turmeric and garlic to the batter at this stage. We need some aeration, and there are 2 ways to achieve it. Either you can add a pinch of baking soda to this, and now, see, there's a good amount of aeration in it. At this point, I take a steel plate and grease it with oil. And now we'll take a little bit of this batter in our hands and start dropping small vadis like this. Now the water has also come to a boil, so we'll place a stand and put the vadi on it to steam. It's been 10 minutes. Let's check once. We'll take these vadis out onto a plate. See, I'll show you how soft these vadis have turned out. They're really spongy. All right, all the vadis are steamed and ready. Now let's start making the sabzi. To make the sabzi, take a pan and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. As soon as the oil is hot, we'll add cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon, a pinch of Asafoetida, and then add them in. Add finely chopped garlic according to your taste. If you want to avoid it, you can skip it as well. As soon as the garlic turns slightly golden, we'll add it. It's finely chopped and medium-sized. I add it along with the onions. As soon as the onions start turning slightly golden, we'll add the spices. I've taken some spices here: chili powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. If you want, you can also add garam masala to it. On a low flame, we'll roast the spices a little with the onions and then add them right away. For the tomato puree, I have blended 4 medium-sized tomatoes in a mixer, so let's add this puree now. Now on medium flame, we'll let the tomato puree cook with the lid on. The tomatoes are nicely cooked, so at this point, I'll add half a cup of fresh peas. Now I'll add 1 cup of water to this. Because these moong dal vadis will absorb quite a lot of water. And as soon as the water starts to boil a little, we'll drop these prepared vadis into it right then. After adding the vadis, don't try to mix them with a spoon immediately. Mix them after a little while, otherwise the vadis will break. Okay, it's come to a boil and the vadi curry is also ready. Let's turn off the heat and finally add lots of cilantro. All right, let's quickly serve the curry. Serve it hot with fresh roti. Here you go, hot and delicious fresh vadi and green pea curry is ready. This curry is so tasty and delicious. If you're bored of eating paneer, you should definitely try this once. It's also perfect for a lunchbox.